What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Taz. You know what I'm saying? If you're not part of TBG Squad, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. And let's get into what this video about. It's already in the title, but as you can see, we have a toolbox with not that many tools in it and a box of stuff. So today in the title, as you can see, we got some interior upgrades coming to the car. So let's get into it. About to drop the intro and we about to get in the car. You know what? We're not gonna start with that. You know what? I'm just gonna put everything on and then I'm just gonna show you guys what it look like afterwards. Now I'm about to go through me putting all this on and recording it. Right, man, I'm gonna be right back when I get most of the stuff in. I might record myself doing the interior lighting thing, but everything else kind of just stick on and stuff, so I'll be back. That look good so far. Matched the red. Yes, sir. All right, man. Let's keep going. All right, so we got most of it done. There we go. That's on the door. Got the aluminum with the little knobs on there. Got the carbon fiber dash. What else we got? We gotta put the rest of the stuff over there, but we also got the carbon fiber right here on the seat. Let me get a light so you guys can see that. My phone. Hold on. Can't expose the toes. But yeah. I got a carbon fiber. I'm gonna take it outside. I'm gonna take it outside so you guys can see everything when I'm done. So let's get it. All right. I just thought I should show y'all this part. I'm hooking up the lights. So like these are the little lights right here. What I did was I plugged the box up right there. I hate that there ain't no light in this car. 1 second. Where's my phone? I just had the thing. Oh, it's right there. My bad, y'all. I put the light box right there. I put the wire behind the, like right there on the car. You know, lift up the little console and put it right there, and I wired those sides over here through here. I'm gonna tuck them right there. And then I'm gonna put it up there. And we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So you gonna see when I'm done. I can't explain it. But yeah. I forgot to add the interior lights I put in the car, but there they go right there. Yeah. Alright, y'all, here go the finished product. We added that little thing. Got the carbon up here. Up there, now you got the red little things. That's red. Carbon right there. The new little Camaro inserts. Now you say Camaro right there. Still got my knife in there, but yeah, man, it's nice little upgrades, man. That's it for today's video. I just wanted to go ahead and make that. So that was upgrading the interior of my Camaro. We got more coming. I think I still want to get a steering wheel and a new shift knob. But yeah, that's it for the video today, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed that.